President Mnangagwa is once again distributed vehicles to the senior ZANU figures, this time handing over 10 cars to members of the party's Council of Elders, in a move widely viewed as part of his broader strategy to entrench political loyalty as he pushes to extend his rule beyond current constitutional limits. Mnangagwa dishes out more cars as patronage politics deepen. Hivyo subscribe or like on the bell na kutipia hapa na pamzimpa maunani mchinzi. The end of a ceremony at the State House in Harare on Friday also saw the party's information publicity department receiving iPads, laptops, and mobile phones to bolster its digital communication efforts ahead of anticipated internal power battles in the 2028 elections. Mnangagwa was increasingly relied on high-value gifts, particularly vehicles, to tighten his grip on the party and the state structures. Since taking office in 2017, he has distributed luxury cars to chiefs, reportedly costing taxpayers tens of billions of dollars. As part of a charm offensive toward traditional leaders who wield rural influence, he has also channeled vehicle donations through convicted fraudster Mnangagwa and Pabooster, whose fortunes have risen dramatically under his rule, fueling long-standing allegations of corruption and patronage financing. Various ZANU-PF wings, including the Youth League, Women's League, MPs, councillors, and provincial structures, have also benefited from vehicle schemes widely seen as loyalty-building exercises ahead of key political moments. These giveaways have intensified in recent months as Mnangagwa confronts internal resistance over speculation that he is positioning himself for a third term despite constitutional limits. Council Chairperson Sidney Sekiremai said the gesture reflected the president's recognition of senior party members and his commitment to national development, praising ongoing projects as infrastructure, health, and education. Former State President Edna Madzongwe said the vehicles made elders feel valued, noting that Mnangagwa continues to remember the people he worked with. Ida Mashonganyika and Gibson Mayisa offered similar praise, with Mayisa saying the president leaves no one in no place behind. Tomashukwaruda panguva ino pamusare magifts ari kupiwa nemutungamiri wenyika achidisha out. Panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi aiwa ari kuzama kubuilda loyalty muvanhu. Enda comment section medu uzafungura aim today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like and on the bell icon.